Hello everyone, welcome back with me. I'm Irani Nur Indah from I1 Class 2018 English Education Study Program IKIP Siliwangi. I want to review the nature of Indonesia. This is Banyak Island. For me, Banyak Island, one of the mainstay tourist destination in Aceh. Even so, this area is no less beautiful than the beach in the Maldives, an island nation in the southwest of Sri Lanka. Banyak island in Aceh Singkil are islands that many people don't know yet. Banyak islands are spread over to 70 islands. Most of the islands are uninhabited and some are simple resorts that directly face the beach. The archipelago tourist attraction consists of dozens of small islands. Everything can be explored by tourists by renting an engine boat. Banyak Island in Aceh Singkil has several interesting spots, including Tailana Island and Palembang Island. Tailana Island and Palembang Island have white sand, then swallow waters. This place will sport visitors who like to dive, snorkeling, observe the beauty of coral reefs and the most beautiful ornamental fish. If lucky, tourists can see mermaids. Okay guys, that's all from me about review the Banyak Island. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you.